Hi Scott, this is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies. I called in earlier today and spoke with Denise, and she said you were the man to talk to. I'm sending you this video today because I was looking for tree removal companies in the San Antonio area, and I realized that you guys weren't really being found for that service. So I wanted to show you the volume of searches there are every month, which is a few thousand. Where you're sitting for these specific keywords and how to ultimately beat out your top competitor, tree surgeons, I think it was. Yes, tree surgeons. So the two things I'm going to go over are, hi Scott, my name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies. I spoke to Denise earlier and she told me that you were the man to talk to. The reason I'm making you this video is because I was looking for tree service companies in San Antonio and I noticed you guys weren't really being found for those top keywords. So what I'm going to go over in this video is pretty much the top keywords. It shows you the volume of searches every month, which is in the thousands, where you sit for those keywords and how to ultimately beat out your top competitor, which is tree surgeons. So the two things that I'm going to go over are content and backlinks. So in Google's eyes, content is king. They really like to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. We see that you guys have probably about 500 words. So definitely up the content a little bit on your home page. And then, of course, your back pages. So when we take a look at Tree Service San Antonio, that is a top keyword. The first thing that we see are the paid ads. Below that is the map pack. And right below that is the organic section. And a main ranking factor for the organic section is a backlink. And a backlink, simply put, is just one site linking to another. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. And when we plug your URL in here, we see you have 27 referring domains, giving you 510 backlinks. And this is for your site as a whole. So if we take a look at your tree page specifically, because that is the service page that would need to be ranked, we see that there's actually really no data for it. So this would be our main focus here. Taking a look at your top competitor, we have tree surgeons. So they have 126 referring domains, giving them 586 backlinks. Sorry about that. So we would pretty much need to push the power to your tree service page so that way you can start ranking for it and be found. One thing with backlinks though is not all links are created equal. So there are trustworthy links and there are spammy links. We can see here the UR and the DR represents the strength and the trust of your website. So we see, like, ideally these would be like double digits and pretty close to each other. So 28 and 28 would be really good. So 2.6 is not great. So those are not very trustworthy links. So the overall health of your homepage is pretty good, 19 and 14. So for this back page, we would just need to get some backlinks pushed to it and make sure they are trustworthy, trustworthy backlinks with strength. Another thing with backlinking is Google really likes to see relevant backlinks. So if you had another tree service site in, say, California or Florida linking back to your site, that'd be a lot more effective than Pizza Hut, because Google knows you guys aren't in the pizza industry and they know that that is irrelevant. So getting trustworthy, relevant backlinks is what we would need to do. I wanted to take a quick deep dive into the keywords just to give you an idea of the volume. So you guys are doing pretty good for, mulch delivery, brush dump, mulch, all that. You're sitting all on the first page for those, which is really good. But when we get to tree service, let's see, tree service. So Tree Service San Antonio, there is 3,500 searches a month. You guys are sitting in the 55th position for that. So you're probably on the 5th to 6th page for that. And, a lot of people, I think 75% don't even leave the first page. So you definitely want to move on up for that one. We look up arborist. I spelled it wrong. It would help if I spelled it correctly. So, certified arborist San Antonio, 450. You're in the 17th position for that. Arborist San Antonio, there's another 2,000 for that. You're in the 25th position. Let's see. We'll look up removal. So, here it is. Tree removal San Antonio. 2,100 searches for that one. You're in the 73rd position. So 7th page for that keyword. So you can see that's a lot of business that you guys are missing out on. And that was my whole reason for sending you this video. To help you pretty much start ranking for those keywords so you can essentially get more tree removal jobs. Just to do a recap for you. You want to get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content added to your home page, and also get some good keyword-rich content added to your tree service page. And then you'd want to get trustworthy, relevant links pointing back at your tree service page, so that way you can start ranking for it as well. That's it. That's all I got for you. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it really helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you.